Let's talk about what's new at SurveyMonkey. This month, we're spotlighting high-speed feedback and smarter ways to follow up. First up, dynamic redirects. You know that thanks for completing this survey page, we just made it a lot more useful. Dynamic redirects is a new logic feature that lets you route people to different URLs at the end of your survey based on their responses. For example, we might set up a dynamic redirect for customers who say they want to learn more about survey best practices. When they're done with the survey, instead of our default thank you page, they'll go straight to a page with the info that they need. Dynamic redirects are great for guiding next steps, like sending happy customers to a review page or routing employees interested in resource groups to a dedicated hub. Next, we made it easier to reach people where they actually are, their phones. Automated SMS survey invites are now available in our Salesforce integration. That means you can automatically send a personalized text invite the moment a Salesforce record changes. Think of it as an instant follow-up for when a support case is closed or a new customer finishes onboarding. Texting makes it easy to ask for feedback while the experience is still fresh. Plus, responses map back to Salesforce automatically, keeping your data clean and organized. We have more exciting updates coming soon, so tune in next time.